Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this ideal classic. It's not firing up, no heating or hot water. So we're going to diagnose this. It's an on the job video and hopefully you'll like it and enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, put the demand on and pump is running, but that's it. Nothing else is happening other than that. So I opened up the combustion chamber and guess what I noticed? The fan is seized. It wasn't going around. There was power going to it, but it wasn't going around.
But not.
Guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we also cover Solihull, Redditch and Knoll. We repair all your favourite boilers from Biasi, Baxi, Wocesterbosch, Vaillant and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Yeah, it's gone. Now I got it going with a good old-fashioned oil. So the fan's going around at an optimum rate and the burner is ignited.
Just before you do that, let me just take a picture.
Don't worry, I'll give you a picture.
Of just that label there.
Now you can take a picture. Right, so we can find Birmingham Boiler Fix. You want to give me a video review?
I did last time as well, I think, yeah.
Did you? I don't know. Forget it. Guys, just done a repair and this guy wants to give me a review.
I just want to say, I called Jay yesterday. He was down first thing this morning, looked at the unit, assessed it, knew what needed to be done the repair. Ever so happy. I recommend this guy every single time.
Thank you.